Welcome back to part 3 of the Tudor Rose Table Runner workshop. I'm Nancy and I've designed this pattern for you, and today we're going to be talking about how to sort of finish the project. So previously we have made our star blocks and we've surrounded them with our little drunkard's path blocks, and now we have to join them together. And like I said last time, if you look here, there's a beautiful little shape there, and that's a diamond, a 45-degree diamond. And there's a paper shape here, which will fit in there beautifully. And so I found a shape that will fit in there, which is this one here, which is called a kite. So that kite will fit in perfectly with those. So you have one on each side. And if I lay it on, you can see that it is that one. And of course, this fabric isn't wasted. It can be used for something else.